How to enable the wake your screen of your Amazfit smartwatch every time you receive a new notification. This is the Amazfit Balance smartwatch, and I'll show you where to go to enable this setting here, and let's get started. Starting from the clock face view mode here, you'll swipe from the very top here, like this, until you see these toggles here. You'll look for the setting one right here, this one here. And when you do this here, you want to go to the display one right there, the one that says display. As you tap on that, you're going to see the different display options. Then go all the way to the bottom section, past all these, and you'll see the one that says screen on upon notification, this right here. You can turn it on from here or tap on the words itself. And basically it'll tell you what it does. Receiving a new notification while the screen is resting or in the off state here, it will immediately light up to show you that new notification. So if you want your screen lighting up every time you get a new notification, turn it on. And of course, if it's currently on and you don't want it to be on, you will simply just come here and turn it off. So like and sub.